Hello students, let's continue with lesson 2 Taro's reward with the exercise speaking and writing on page number 36. In the speaking and writing in exercise A we have done some tongue twisters and I hope that you have read them and enjoyed them. Okay, now today we will solve exercise B in speaking and writing and exercise B1. The story Taro's Reward shows that Taro is thoughtful, hardworking and also wise. Now in this story we show that Taro is thoughtful, hardworking and wise. वो एक विचारशील, hardworking means मेहनती और wise लड़का था. Read aloud the parts of story that shows these qualities in Taro. अब इस story में से हमें ऐसे parts लेने हैं कि जो ये qualities को indicate करता हो. तो यहाँ पे कौन कौन सी qualities? Thoughtful, hardworking and wise. तो thoughtful, in which paragraph we found this quality from this lesson? So we can found this quality in paragraph 1, page number 30, as for he was a thoughtful son and wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. वो thoughtful था तो उसके parents को जो चाहिए था वो लाने के लिए तैयार था, वो लाना चाहता था, लाके उन्हें देना चाहता था. Now second quality is hard working. Now this quality also we found in the first paragraph, as though he worked very hard he earned little money. Though he worked very hard worked very hard means he was hard working, he earned very little money. And the last is wise. Now the next quality is wise. We will find this quality in paragraph 11. That but Taro had been wise enough to sleep behind a rock when he saw how things were going and was nowhere to be found. Now this quality we will find in the paragraph 11. Okay. Now question C1. Now exercise C1. Page number 37. Listen to these children. Here there are 3 children, right? Listen to these children. What are they talking about? वो किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Let's see their talking. The first child says, I think swimming is more difficult than driving. वो कहता है कि स्विमिंग डिफिकल्ट है ड्राइविंग से. वो कंपैरिजन कर रहा है स्विमिंग और ड्राइविंग के बीच. Now the second child says, I think it is much less difficult. वो ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है. और third child says, anyhow neither of them is as difficult as learning English. दोनों ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है जितना English सीखना difficult है, right? So they are talking. Now we have to write the paragraph of their talking, right? What are they talking about? Now how we will write the paragraph? I tell you that the 3 boys, we have to start as the 3 boys are talking about their problems, right? The 3 boys are talking about the problems. We have to start with this sentence, okay? Then we have to write this, then problems one by one, okay? One child finds that swimming is more difficult than driving. One child finds that swimming is more difficult than driving. And the second child disagree with his view. The second child disagree with his view. First child क्या कहता है कि स्विमिंग ड्राइविंग से डिफिकल्ट है, तो सेकेंड चाइल्ड है वो इससे एग्री नहीं है. He disagree with him, right? The second child disagree with the first child's view. He thinks that swimming is less difficult than driving. He thinks that swimming is less difficult than driving. Now the third boy says that learning English is much more difficult than swimming and driving. The last boy says, the third boy says that learning English is more difficult than swimming and driving. This is how you have to complete this paragraph in your notebook. Okay. Now second question, work in groups. Come to some agreement on each of the activities given below and decide which is the most interesting, dullest, most dangerous, safest, most rewarding and most exciting. Now in question 2, we have to work in groups and come to some agreement on each of the activities given below. Decide which is the most interesting, most dullest, most dangerous, safest, most rewarding and most exciting. Here the table is given and we have to classify them. Okay, first is cooking. Cooking is rewarding, right? Then knitting. Knitting is dullest. Next is reading. Reading is also rewarding. Now next is walking. Walking is safest. Then painting. Painting is also rewarding. Somehow painting is interesting also, right? Fishing, rewarding. If you are interested in fishing, you can write in interesting. If you are interested in painting, you can write in interesting, right? According to your choice, you have to classify these words. Okay, you have to classify these words according to your choice. Now here dancing. Dancing is very interesting for all of you, right? Dancing. Next is shooing. Shooing is dullest. Swimming. Swimming is exciting, most exciting. Swimming. Swimming is most exciting. Now watching TV. Watching TV is interesting. अगर आपको नहीं देखना पसंद हो, you can write in dullest according to your choice. Playing football, exciting. Exciting, playing football. Listening to music, interesting. Listening to music. Interesting. Then mountain climbing. Mountain climbing is dangerous, right? Is dangerous. Now next is learning languages. Learning languages. For some it is dullest, for someone it is interesting, right? So learning languages. If you like to learn languages, you can write in the part of interesting, right? Next is stamp collecting. Stamp collecting. If you have a hobby of stamp collecting, it is also safest. If you have deep interest in stamp collecting, you can write in this box also. Okay, that you have to classify according to your choice. And now the last part is dictation. Now your teacher will speak the words given below and write against each two new words that rhyme with it. On page number 38, you have to write the rhyming words in your textbook. First is bed. There are two blanks given. You have to write two rhyming words for bed. This shed, this lid. If you want to write the another rhyming word, right? You can write wax, x, fax, right? Fast. You can write last, cast. You can write blast, chop, mop, drop. Right? 5 number, young, among, tongue. If you want to write another word instead of these words, you can write in your notebook, right? You have to write in your textbook and notebook. Now this lesson has completed here, and we will start the poem of this lesson in the next video. Thank you. Write all the exercises, write all the exercise that we have solved in this session. You have to write in your notebook and textbook with the proper handwriting. Okay, thank you.